Hey guys, today I'm opening something pretty random. It's a Fortnite Nerf gun, the SPL level attachable barrels. That's pretty cool. Never done a Nerf gun opening, so this will be pretty fun. Right? That just gives you information. So let's get this open. Just gotta cut the top part. Okay. There we go. Alright. Okay. Alright, there we go. Ooh, that was hard to get out. Here's the here's six Fortnite bullets. The instruction manual, which I don't need. Here's the gun itself. And it has the Fortnite logo. There's the Fortnite logo right there, which is pretty cool. Alright. Shelf, really cool looking. Okay, here's the inside the gun. Here's what it looks like. So this is how you just put the bullet in and go like that, and then boom, like that. Alright, and it also has the attachable barrel, which is right here. Right here, here's the attachable barrel with a bigger word of Fortnite on it. So we want it to be like the real silent SPL bullet. Because this is made to look like the hand cannon or the pistol, whatever, which one you want to call it. And you put this on so it looks like the SPL, the silent gun, the one that goes like really silent type gun, where you don't even hear it unless you shoot it to the right. So you see that? So you got the gun right there. It's a really cool gun. So it's a really cool gun. Yeah, it's actually a made product. I like how you can take this part off. If you want it to look like the pistol, you just pull it out, you just twist it and go like that, you know. Or you want to be like a secret agent, just put that on so you can pretend it's a silent alert and go like pew 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 like that. So overall, I do like Fortnite. So yeah, I think this product is a 10 out of 10. It's actually pretty cool. Again, this obviously that doesn't work, but it has like the safety mode feature right there. See, there's safety mode like right there. Obviously that doesn't work, but yeah, it's there too, just in case, you know. Yeah, all well, it looks really good, and that's it. All right, bye.